Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add slow motion into your videos here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you find the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first thing we'll do is let's prepare our timeline. Let's grab this video up here and let's add that to our timeline. Now that's been added, all we need to do is select the part we'd like to make slow motion. So I'm going to select this part. I'm now going to separate this so it creates a different clip. And we'll separate it here as well. So you can see it is completely normal. Now I need to make sure I select the clip I'd like to change the speed of. Go to the very top right of your screen, click speed, and you can see right now we have this speed option. Of course, if you increase this, it makes it faster. But we can also decrease it down. So let's go to about half. We can also manually do so by using this on the right hand side. Now that's been done, I need to quickly rearrange these just so it slots in a bit better. And now if I click play, you can see the slow motion has now been applied for this clip. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.